At CES 2025, Garmin unveiled the Instinct 3, the latest addition to its rugged smartwatch lineup. Packed with significant upgrades, the Instinct 3 introduces an AMOLED display, enhanced solar charging for longer battery life, and dual-band GPS for improved tracking precision. While it maintains the durability and dependability of the Instinct 2, it also brings modern features and updated design choices to the table. But how much of an upgrade is it? Let's dive into the new features and see how they stack up against its predecessor. The Instinct 3 retains its signature rugged aesthetic, but now features a metal-reinforced bezel for added durability. This enhancement builds on the strong foundation of the Instinct series, which includes MILSDD 810 certification for thermal and shock resistance and 10 ATM water resistance, both carried over from the Instinct 2. To cater to more personal style preferences, Garmin has introduced fresh color options like Neotropic and Electric Lime, adding a bold and vibrant touch to the lineup. The Instinct 3 also offers greater variety in sizing. The AMOLED and solar models come in 45mm and 50mm options, while the budget-friendly Instinct E debuts a smaller 40mm size. In contrast, the Instinct 2 lineup, though versatile, is limited to a maximum size of 45mm and lacks the larger 50mm variant. A key upgrade in the Instinct 3 series is the introduction of an AMOLED display, marking a first for the lineup. This high-resolution screen delivers more vibrant colors and improved visibility for everyday use. However, it does come at the cost of increased power consumption compared to the Instinct 2's monochrome memory in pixel (MIP) display. For users who prioritize battery life, the Instinct 3 still offers MIP display options. The AMOLED models also feature larger screen sizes, 1.2 inches and 1.3 inches, compared to the MIP versions, which remain at 0.9 inches and 1.1 inches. One trade-off, however, is the absence of the secondary display on the AMOLED models, a feature some fans of the MIP versions might miss. The Instinct 3 brings several new hardware and software features that enhance both usability and functionality. A built-in flashlight is now standard across all models, offering both white and red LED options with adjustable brightness levels, a handy addition for nighttime activities or emergencies. GPS tracking receives a major boost with dual-band GPS and satellite IQ technology, which optimizes power usage based on environmental conditions. These advancements deliver improved tracking accuracy and extended battery life for outdoor adventures. Drawing inspiration from Garmin's premium Fenix series, the Instinct 3 introduces features like hill and endurance scores, training load focus, auto multisport transition, nap detection, and strength workout animations available exclusively on AMOLED models. Additional tools include Garmin Pay for contactless payments and Garmin Share for easy route sharing. Both the Instinct 2 and Instinct 3 are strong performers in fitness and health tracking, offering key metrics such as heart rate variability, HRV, status, advanced sleep tracking, VO2 max, and respiration rate monitoring. The Instinct 3 enhances these capabilities with improved integration into Garmin Connect, delivering more actionable and detailed insights. However, a notable drawback of the Instinct 3 is its continued use of the fourth-generation optical heart rate sensor, which lacks advanced features like ECG and skin temperature tracking available in Garmin's newer fifth-generation sensor. This omission is particularly noticeable given the higher price point of the device. Navigation continues to be a limitation for both the Instinct 2 and Instinct 3. Instead of detailed offline maps, they rely on breadcrumb trails and basic route tracking, which may be adequate for casual users but can feel restrictive for serious adventurers. Those who need more advanced navigation features may find Garmin's Fenix series a better choice, though it comes at a higher price. Battery life has always been a standout feature of the Instinct series, and the Instinct 3 raises the bar even higher. The solar models now feature upgraded solar panels that are 5 times more efficient than those on the Instinct 2. This advancement enables the Instinct 3 Solar to achieve potentially unlimited battery life in optimal sunlight, making it an ideal choice for outdoor adventurers. While the AMOLED version isn't as power efficient, it still impresses with up to 24 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, a notable achievement for a display-focused model. By comparison, the Instinct 2 offers up to 4 weeks of battery life in its standard models and unlimited battery life in its solar editions under ideal conditions. However, it doesn't match the improved efficiency of the Instinct 3's solar technology. The Instinct 3 lineup offers options for various budgets, starting at $299 for the Instinct E, $399 for the Instinct 3 Solar, and $449 for the Instinct 3 AMOLED. By comparison, the Instinct 2 is priced similarly, with standard models starting at $349 and solar editions reaching up to $499. While the Instinct 3 delivers more advanced technology and features, the Instinct 2 remains a compelling choice, particularly when available at discounted rates. For those seeking a more affordable entry into the series, the Instinct E stands out as an excellent option. Deciding between the Instinct 2 and Instinct 3 comes down to your specific needs. If you prioritize a vibrant AMOLED display, improved GPS accuracy, and advanced features like more efficient solar charging, the Instinct 3 is the superior choice. The AMOLED model suits everyday users, while the solar variant is perfect for outdoor adventurers seeking extended battery life. Meanwhile, the Instinct 2 is a solid alternative for those who prefer a straightforward design, exceptional battery performance, and reliable tracking capabilities. It's a practical and dependable option, especially if you can snag it at a discounted price. The Garmin Instinct 3 builds on the strengths of the Instinct 2, delivering notable enhancements in display technology, battery life, and overall functionality. Although it has some limitations, like the absence of detailed mapping and the use of an older heart rate sensor, the upgrades it offers make it an appealing choice for both first-time buyers and those considering an upgrade.